Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Where are your books?
They are on the shelf.
What do you want to drink?
I want a cold drink.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved yesterday.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it is very nice.
Is she your friend?
Yes, we are classmates.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook every night.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I use it every day.
Where is your teacher?
She is in the office.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I am getting late.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go Monday to Friday.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat them daily.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can read it.
Is your phone charging?
Yes, it is charging now.
Are you online?
Yes, I am online now.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Where are your keys?
They are in my bag.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a white shirt.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep by 10.
Where is the park?
It is behind the library.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
Are you going now?
Yes, I am leaving now.
Do you speak French?
Only a little.
Is this your water bottle?
Yes, it is mine.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some to do.
What app do you use most?
I use YouTube a lot.
Is the shop open?
Yes, it is open now.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day.
What are you eating?
I am eating a sandwich.
Do you want to go?
Yes, let's go now.
Is this your notebook?
No, it belongs to my friend.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Where do you sit?
I sit near the window.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
Can I take this?
Yes, you can take it.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go on weekends.
Is the weather good?
Yes, it is sunny today.
Where is your jacket?
It is in my cupboard.
Do you write daily?
Yes, I write in my diary.
Are you on Facebook?
Yes, I use it often.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim a little.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, on weekends.
Are you from here?
No, I am from another city.
What time is your class?
It starts at 9.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I do.
Where do you buy clothes?
I buy them from the mall.
Are you at work?
Yes, I am working now.
Do you like this song?
Yes, it is nice.
What are your hobbies?
I like painting and cycling.
Is your friend coming?
Yes, he is on the way.
Can I open the window?
Yes, go ahead.
What is your phone number?
It is 03115.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading only.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, a little.
Where do you want to sit?
Near the fan.
Do you know this place?